Morning, everybody, how are you? Good morning, everybody, how are you? Good morning, Auntie Hilda, good morning to you. Good morning, everybody, how are you? I'm fine. Good morning, everybody, how are you? Good morning, everybody, how are you? Good morning to you. Good morning, Auntie Hilda. Good morning, everybody. How are you? Good. Thank you so much. My lovely children, how are you doing? I am your KG2 class tutor, and I welcome you once again to St. Mary's International School e-learning class. Before I start today's lesson, let's quickly go through what we learned last. Yes, last week Auntie Jane was here and she taught you the topic on what? Weather conditions. Good. Then we learned that we have rainy weather, we have sunny weather, windy weather, and what? Cloudy weather. These are the weather conditions. Good. Then she also took you to the seasons. We have the rainy season or the wet season. We have the dry or harmattan season. Then we learned that in the rainy season, we see cloud. That is when we see that it is about to rain. And during that time, we see rainfall and the grounds become what? Wet. Good. And that same weather is good for what? Planting our what? Our food crops. And then when she talks about the sunny weather, you see sunshine. The ground becomes dry and it's favorable for children to play on. And again, we learned that during those seasons or the dry season, the farmers harvest their food crops. Good. Then we also saw the weather condition on windy weather. We learned that during windy weather, you see the leaves flying apart, the trees broken down, roofs of people building what? Removed and then fall away. All is a sign of a windy weather. The strand for this week has changed. We are no more going to learn on all around us. On today's strand, we are learning on my global community. My global community. That is the strand for this week. My global community. And under the strand, my global community, we have the substrand to be means of transportation. Means of transportation and buying and selling. We have the strand to be my global community. And under the strand, my global community, we have means of transportation and buying and selling. Before I get started with this lesson, let's sing this song. The wheels on the bus goes round, 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 round. The wheels on the bus goes round, 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 all through the town. Now the horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horns on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The babies in the bus cries, nye, 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 nye. The babies in the bus cry, nye, 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 all through the town. Wonderful. Clap hands for Auntie Hilda. All right. My global community. And under that, we are going to learn on what? Means of transportation and buying and selling. But I'm going to take you through the means of transportation first. Yes, when we say transportation means the movement of living things from one place to another. Transportation means the movement of living things from one place to what? Another. We have learned living things already. You know what a living thing. Have you forgotten? Should I remind you? Yes, they have what? Life. Good. Living things have life in them. They grow, they move. Good. So movement of living things from one place to the another. What can move human beings from one place to another? Yes. When I want to go to my hometown, I don't go I don't go with my foot. I don't walk there. That was then, those olden times. When you want to travel or you want to go somewhere, you walk to that place. Whether the place is far, you walk. Whether it's near, you walk. By this time, the global things have changed. So when you want to move to one place to another, you either go by the what? By car or bus, by train, by ship, or by what? Aeroplane. These are what? The transportation. This is what transports human beings or carries human beings or living things from one place to another. I say they are what? The bus or the car. We have the bus or the cars. We also have what? The ship. We also have the what? The aeroplane. Then we also have what? The train. They are the means of what? Transportation. They are called what? Means of transportation. They carry us or they move human beings or living things from here to another. That is, if you cannot walk, that place needs to be what? To use what? A transport system. Then, when you look at this transportation, the means of transportation I have mentioned, I've left the motorbikes and the bicycles. They are also means of what? Transportation, very quick or immediate one. We see them around our community. Don't you see them? Yes, you do. The bicycles, the motorbikes, they are also means for transportation. The motorbike, the bicycle, the buses, the cars, and the train, they travel or they move on the what? On the land. They move on the what? Land. The buses and the cars move on the road. They move on the road. It's also a land. The train moves on a special metals, which is called the tracks. The train moves or travels on a special metal. I say a special metal. The metal is so special, like this over there. This is a clear picture of that. A metal track in which the train travels on. Okay, the train is so long, like this picture. Look at the picture. This is a clear picture of a what? A train. Okay, they all travel on the what? Land. They are called land transport. They are called what? Land transport. Good. Again, I made mention of the ship as the means of what? Transportation. The ship travels on the sea. Like this over there. The ship travels on the what? Sea. It carries a lot of people. It can carry what? Goods or things, items. They travel on the what? The sea. Good. And then aeroplane. The aeroplane flies in the air like a bird. Aeroplane is also a means of what? Transportation. If you want to travel from here to the next country like Nigeria, America, Italy, you can go by what? The aeroplane. It flies in the air like a what? A bird. See the picture over there. The aeroplane flies in the air. It flies in the what? Air. Before I get started with the lesson, I mentioned that when we say transportation, it simply means movement of human beings or living things from one place to what? Another. Transportation means movement of human beings or living things from one place to what? To another. You can move either by what? By the train, by the bicycle, car, bus, the ship, or the what? Aeroplane. They are all means of what? Transportation. And I mentioned that the aeroplane travels, or it flies in the what? Air, like a what? A bird. The ship travels on the sea. Then I said that the train travels on the land, but on a special metal called the what? The track. The cars, the bicycles, the motorbike, and then the buses, they all travel on the road. So they are all called the what? The means of what? Transportation. Okay? Now that we have finished learning on the means of transportation, let's look at buying and selling. Buying and selling. Buying and selling. How do we buy? How do we sell? We go to the market to buy. We go to the market to sell. What do we use to sell? Or what do we use in buying? Yes, money. Good. Money. Money is called the medium of what? Exchange. We use money to buy. We use money to what? To sell. Isn't it? Yes. And here in Ghana, the currency or the money we use to buy, we call it what? The Ghana cedi. It's called what? The Ghana cedi. We have the coins. We have the notes. The note is the paper. And the coins, we know, is the smaller ones. So you see the picture here, we have starting from the lower denomination, the lower money, the lower amount. We have the 10 pesos. We have 20 pesos. Are you seeing it? You all know it. You'll be using it to buy. We have the 50 pesos coin, is there. Then we have the 1 cedi coin. We have the 2 cedis coin. These are the coins. But when you come to the notes too, which is the paper, we have the 1 cedi paper. Yes, we do have the 1 cedi coin, and we also have the 1 cedi paper. The same way, we have the 2 cedis coin, and then we also have the 2 cedis paper. Good. Now, we move up to what? The 5 cedis note. You see the 5 cedis note is over there. Then we have what? 10 cedis. We also have what? 20 cedis. We have what? 50 cedis. We also have what? 100 cedis. Then we also have what? 200 cedis. So these are the currencies or the denominations we Ghana we use in buying our goods, or we use in buying and what? Selling. Okay? You see the coin. Alright, you see that there are certain features on it. The 20 coin, we have the what? The freedom and justice at the back, and in the front, we have the cocoa pod. You see it? It's called the cocoa pod. Then 50 pesos, we have what? The freedom and justice at the back, and in front, we have the what? The trader. The trader. She was a trader at what? Accra, Mokola. Good. Then we have the 1 cedi coin. We have the 1 cedi coin. There is something green inside the. Is it green? Yes. Or gold in the middle, and then the side we have some silver shining. Yes. Then we also have the 2 cedi coin with the same coin, looking exactly like the 1 cedi coin. The 1 cedi note is red in color. Okay. Good. Then we also have the what? We have the big 6 on the 1 cedi note. And we have the what? The Akosombo Dam also on the 1 cedi note. Then the 2 cedis note is also the yellow. 5 cedi note is blue. Then 10 cedis note is green. 20 is mauve or violet in color. Then the 50 cedis note is brown. 100 cedis note is looking just like the 5 cedis note. Okay, so don't get confused. Then we also have the what? The 200 cedis, which is the highest amount, highest denomination. Okay, we also see the Ghana. All the time you see on our coin and our notes, you see the GH and the what? Our cedi. It shows that this is the what? the Ghana cedi. If you take this money to Nigeria, you cannot spend, you cannot use it to buy, you cannot use it to sell. The Ghana cedi is only used in what? Ghana. Okay, so we use Ghana cedi to buy and sell in what? Ghana. Good. Then we use the money in what? Trading. To trade. Who is a trader? And we say trader. Trader. A trader is a person who goes to buy goods and come to what? Sell them. She goes to the nearby village like this. She goes to the villages to buy goods like, she cannot carry it from that village to here. She will put it in a truck, a mommy truck, a goods car, like a Kia, like this picture here. They will load the things in the car and transport it to what? To the city or the town to sell. We are in the town. We are not in the village. We are in town. We don't plant things around here. So the trader will go and buy it from the village, put it in the car. The driver will drive it on the land and bring it here in the city or town. Then we will go and what? We'll buy it. Okay? So buying and selling is also called what? Trading. Okay? And the person who goes to buy the things and come to sell, she's called what? A trader. Okay? A trader. Some people go to buy goods. They travel on the train, by the train, to buy the goods and bring it. Others go by air, which is using the aeroplane. They go to Dubai, China. They go and buy nice dresses. They bring it down here. We also what? Buy. Okay. Some also go to the other countries like the USA, America. They buy the goods because the goods are heavy. The aeroplane cannot carry it, so they will put it on the ship. Then the ship will drive on the sea and bring it to us, and then we'll also what? Come to buy. Okay? So this is how buying and selling goes on. Okay? We buy and sell, or we buy and sell using what? The money, our currency, which I say is called what? The Ghana cedi. Here in Ghana, I say we spend what? The Ghana cedi. Good. And the person who goes to buy the goods and come to sell to us is called what? A trader. And going to buy and selling is called, the activity is called what? Trading. And the things they buy the things from the village, bring it to the city to come to what? Sell it to us. Okay? Good. When they are coming, they put it in the car, and the car brings it here. Others put it in the what? The train. Others on the ship. Others in the air. And they transport it down here in the town for us to what? To buy them. Okay? All too soon, I've ended my lesson on buying and selling. Thank you. Please, don't forget to wash your hands under running water with soap, because the corona has not left us yet. And so we have to be more and more careful. You are so special to us. That is why we always and will always continue to educate you on the safety to prevent yourself from getting the deadly virus. Okay? Till I meet you next time, at the same time here, I say bye.